6 hours to drive. It's strong. Check this out.
Oh, he brought all 3 whips.
You remind me of someone, but I'm not gonna mention who it is. The guy who introduces his welcome to my garage. Knowledge!
Will motivation. Will motivation.
You're watching Will Motivation. Here is where we create, educate, and motivate. Welcome to Will Motivation.
About to do this meet and greet. This Friday night, January 26th, the first official meet and greet with Mod the Fang, Stunner Reese, and your boy Will Motivation with Knowledge the Lambo, Knowledge 2.0. It's darker, it's picking it up.
Mm-hmm. You look good. Hold on, I might.
Oh, he brought them all.
He brought all 3 of them.
Real motivation brings 3 cars to a meet. Who does that?
That's a grand entrance right there.
My boy Will motivation pulling up, man. 30.
Yo, Will.
Will Motivation. Downtown Columbus, Ohio.
He's in there filming and talking. Come on up the middle, man.
I will. Give me a second. I'll put my shit away.
There goes the GT sounding good.
Yep. Here's the Raptor.
4 Raptor, ferocious as ever. And the Huracan. With the 6 Satin wrap.
Y'all come around. Bring the cars over here.
Yeah, that's nice.
He can just pull the Raptor over here.
Right?
Y'all see it, man.
Will Motivation has drive.
That's sick, ain't it? Stop. That Satin wrap.
Got all
Whoa.
these YouTubers out here.
All right, check it out.
Real motivation just shut down the whole damn situation. Yeah, you win.
My man. Hey.
Motivation Nation.
What's going on, bro?
Glad you made it safe.
What's up, bro? Dave, you got it,
Good to meet you, man.
Yeah, you too, bro.
Nice to meet you.
What up? What up? Man, I gotta put y'all in the pocket, boy. I gotta put y'all in the pocket for a minute. What's poppin', bro?
That's good, man.
Yeah, I see you, man. What you do? Yeah, I know. I was over it.
Lamb chops. That boy's sick, man. You good?
He did that. That's legendary.
Oh, my bad. Look at rolling, boy. Man, what is that, boy? You done pulled out a new toy I don't know nothing about.
Man, look. I
That's
had
sick.
to bring something out, man, so I can film at night with the GoPro.
I'm telling you, because that's going to make GoPro life good.
Yeah.
Ooh, man, that's tough. Oh, my fault.
Hold on, he about to back up.
Double trouble.
Double Teddy. You got the twins out here. Hit you in the face. Oh, yeah. Let's go.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Will Motivation. I'm actually about to hit up this shop where I take my my Lambo to get lowered, and I'm actually going to get the springs and coilovers adjusted on my Mustang. So that's the Mustang. It has lowering springs on it, or not lowering springs, but coilovers on it, BC Racing coilovers, and it still sits up a little bit too high for me, so I'm going to have them lowered a little bit more. And I'm also going to have them adjust the ride quality, because it has adjustments for making the ride a little bit more like stock. Ride's a little bit too rough. Sorry it's dirty, but for those of you that have not seen the drop on the Lambo, there it is. It's lowered. It's lowered about 1.5 inches. Not anything super dramatic, but probably about as low as I want to go, considering I don't want to scrape everywhere. So I have a special announcement. I'm going to be at Clark Atlanta University on February 6th at 11 a.m. I'll put the location in the description. And the reason why I'm going to be down there is I have a speaking engagement at the Clark Atlanta University Center, right? So the AUC is what they call it, and I'm going to be talking about entrepreneurship, and it's open to the public. So if you're in the Atlanta area and you want to come, you know, be a fly on the wall and just kind of listen in on my fireside chat for about an hour, you're welcome to come. So that's it, Clark Atlanta University on February 6th at 11 a.m. And it's not really an official meet and greet, and I won't have the Lambo with me. I'm actually going to drive the Raptor, because I'm gonna have a couple of buddies with me, and we're gonna videotape the whole thing. So if you're not able to make it, don't worry, I'll post it up on my channel, and you know, maybe we'll get some good footage of the Migos or something down there in Atlanta. But anyway, let's go change these springs out on the Mustang. Holla. One of the nicest interiors I've ever seen. This interior is crazy. Look at that. That's one of the most plush interiors I've ever seen. My God, that's crazy. This is a car you might even buy just for the interior. That's $550. GT3. This is a 2011 GT3. It's a nice little showpiece car right there. That's nice. And look there. They got the family. The red calipers and the red interior. What I like about this one, it has the red suede, not suede, but Alcantara. Very nice. Very nice interior. Now, for those of you Lambo fans out there, if you're ever going to get a Lambo and you're wondering what color to get, black is a good color because you can always wrap black easy. It's easier to wrap any color you want. So, very nice one. I wonder how many miles it has on it. And of course the Gallardo. So, if you're looking for a Gallardo, I got a Gallardo up here. Super fun to drive. This one's very clean too. This one's super clean. It's got the E-gear. I'm guessing this is a 2008. 2008, something like that. Nice. And you got the Alfa Romeo. So if you want an Alfa Romeo, there it is. Let's look at this Audi though real quick. That's 2017 right there. There it is. Dropping the Mustang off at the toy barn. Had to look at some toys. They always think I'm getting ready to buy something when I come up here, but I'm good, I'm good. Check out this this Jeep right here, man. This mug is sick. Look at that. Said it's only got like 12 miles on it. Somebody needs a Rubicon with some nice wheels on it. This is it right here. I'm gonna go see what else they got inside the we're here at the toy barn. I'm gonna go upstairs and see what else they got here in a second. That mug is sweet. I gotta catch an Uber back to my side of town. I'm on the opposite side of town. I'm out west Columbus. Gotta catch an Uber back, but I'm hungry. I didn't eat lunch and it's about 5 o'clock. But I'm gonna get some McDonald's or something and wait for the Uber, get back to the east side of town. And now, before I go, I want to thank all you guys for watching my videos. And if this is your first time watching the video, please subscribe. I'm gonna be trying to work on some excellent content for you guys. I mean, I upgraded my camera. See, I got the G7X as everybody recommended, but I'm trying to upgrade my content. Got some more good Lambo videos coming, got some more Raptor videos coming, got some more Mustang videos coming in anticipation of that GT500 that I guarantee we are going to get as soon as it comes out. We don't know when it's going to come out yet. We think 2019. So we're definitely gonna get one of those for the channel. But anyway, just want to say thanks. And for the new folks watching the channel, please subscribe. This is Will Motivation, and I'm out. Yo, this is Will Motivation. Just wanted to say thanks for checking out this video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And also feel free to share this video with your friends and be a part of the movement. I'll check you guys out in the next video. Holla.